Introducing the new evolution in food processors by the iconic brand Cuisinart, the all-new Complete Chef, the food processor that cooks. It perfectly processes and expertly cooks, all in one bowl, for the ultimate in ease and convenience. The Complete Chef does all the prep you expect from a traditional food processor, like slice, shred, dice, mix, and chop. Plus, it also cooks, slow cooks, sautés, steams, and purees. It even kneads improved dough and makes risotto. 200 pre-programmed recipes expertly guide you through every step with full-color photos, an ingredient list, and nutritional information. You can also customize your cooking with multiple functions, a timer, speeds, and precision temperature control, producing exceptional results. Perfectly process and expertly cook with the all-new Complete Chef, the next evolution in food processors.
The kitchen revolution is on its way. Magimix presents the Cook Expert. Your kitchen will never be the same again. Nothing is impossible for this kitchen genie. Made to last using high-quality materials, user-friendly and attractive, it has many ingenious functions. Its 12 automatic programs are intuitive and easy to use, covering a wide variety of cooking methods. Cook Expert's induction technology means that the temperature can be raised very quickly with incredible precision. The double wall bowl keeps in the heat like no other appliance before, with total safety. Nothing could be easier than its fingertip controls. Cook Expert makes life easier thanks to its rinsing program. Cleaning is child's play. With the Cook Expert, you can't go wrong, from starters to desserts. It slices with the precision of a Swiss watch. It grates and slices to within a millimetre. Your sauces will be perfect every time, whether cold or hot. Cook Expert is the steam expert. Its large 2-level basket guarantees ultra-healthy, ultra-tasty cooking, making cooking fun again. Creamy or chunky, the art of soup making holds no secrets for the Cook Expert. And now for some tradition. With its casserole bowl, the Cook Expert can simmer to perfection. What could be better than the delicious smell of home baking? A whole range of desserts just waiting for you. Thanks to Cook Expert, meringue tarts, chocolate mousse and iced desserts are yours for the making. Who is the best ally of your health and imagination? Who helps you pack in the vitamins and cool the palate? The Cook Expert, of course. From starters to desserts, a whole world awaits you. You'll never be short of inspiration with the magnificent recipe book and free incredibly rich app.
With the best Thermomix we've ever made. Of course it can weigh, chop, grind, grate, steam, whisk, mix and boil. But for the first time ever, new cooking modes add more haute to your cuisine, giving you more wows and yummy mummies. More tenderness made effortless. More homemade yogurt and cheese. More pulled pork at the next garden party. More taste highlights by adding roasting aromas. And caramel creations prepared in a jiffy. The new Thermomix is cleaner, more powerful, and psst, it's quieter. With a way larger display, a highly intuitive user interface, and recipe recommendations, making the best homemade meals easy peasy. Built-in Wi-Fi and Cookie-Doo provide daily inspiration, with over 40,000 guided cooking recipes created and shared all over the world, regardless of which device you use. And the best part? It gets better and better all by itself. Smart at heart. Just like you. TM6, the all-new Thermomix by Vorwerk.